Description: this color-safe, strong-hold gel volumizes the hair while producing incredible texture and shine, especially on short styles. Made with volcanic ash derivatives, this formula fortifies the hair without leaving residue. Benefits: this easy-to-apply hair gel provides hold, moisturizes hair, and restores shine. Gluten, sulfate, and paraben-free. Suggested use: apply liberally to wet hair before styling for ultimate hold and manageability. Framesi BY Lava Hydrogel Strong. An easy-to-apply, volumizing, strong-hold hair gel that moisturizes, restructures, and restores shine during setting. Weightless, will not build up, and contains thermal UV protectants. Framesi BY Lava. Framesi BY Lava products are made with volcanic ash, providing uncompromised strength and hold. Volcanic ash preserves regenerating powers that stimulate cell renewal. The silicon, iron and magnesium in the volcanic ash fortify, re-mineralize, and restructure the hair to leave it healthier while enhancing its natural shine. Top reviews from the United States. I like this for men's hair. Just like Brill cream, a little dab will do you. I know I am showing my age. This is a good product. Holds a style without being stiff and gives the hair a little bit of a healthy looking sheen. Emo.